I was just in Italy and I was talking to a professor of Canadian literature in Venice. And this woman analyzes first lines of books. So what's the first line of Duddy Kravitz? What with his wife so ill these past few weeks and the prospect of 3 more days of teaching before the weekend break, Mr. Macpherson felt unusually glum. That's amazing, because it's the apprenticeship of Duddy Kravitz, but it starts from the point of view of the beleaguered school teacher who's going to disgrace himself in his own eyes by strapping Duddy. And we're going to find out just what a little prick Duddy is. And then the author is going to challenge us to stay with him for his whole story. And he's going to break our heart, and we're going to love him, and we're going to just question that love every inch of the way. I read this when I was 14. It was published when I was 6 months old. And I loved it. I read it many, many times after that. And I ended up writing a preface for the last edition, which was possibly one of the most surprising little chapters in my own literary career, would be that I'd be called upon to write a preface for the apprenticeship of Duddy Kravitz. More on that later. What's the first line of Barney's version? Terry's the spur. Period. A writer gets more spare and economical.